Hello and welcome to Learning Factory. Learning Factory is a startup led by a team of experienced academicians who believe in learning by doing. In view of the need of skilled personnel in the thrust areas such as artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, IoT, and so on, we are launching following courses in virtual and offline modes. Few of these courses include Python for data science for beginners, machine learning, deep learning, Internet of Things, digital image processing, and so on. These courses will include theoretical aspects of these emerging trends along with hands-on practice, including guided projects. All these sessions will be conducted live so that the learners can directly interact with the instructors. Lots of real-world case studies will be discussed during all these courses, and the students will gain the experience of practicing the techniques and various technologies to solve real-world problems. So at the end of this course, students or the learners will feel very confident to work on the applications independently. These courses will help the learners excel in their careers. Who can register for these courses? Undergraduate or postgraduate students of engineering, under or postgraduate students of science or computer applications, working professionals, data science and machine learning enthusiasts. All these people can register for this course. The interested learners may fill up the form, the link for which is given in description, and we will get back to you. The academic institutes or organizations who would like to organize the workshops in these domains may contact us on our email, and we will be very happy to deliver the best. Wish you happy learning. Thank you.